Hey there, lovely homeowners. Ready to transform your kitchen with some simple yet impactful hardware hacks? Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about handles and knobs. If you cook often, you'll want handles and knobs that are comfortable to grip. Trust me, your hands will thank you. Solid metal options like brass, stainless steel, bronze or aluminum are your best bet for durability. Avoid those flimsy plastic or plated ones. They won't stand the test of time. Next on the list, soft close hinges. These little beauties prevent that annoying cabinet slamming and help prolong the life of your cabinets. It's a win-win. Pair them with full extension soft close drawer slides for easier access. No more digging around in the back of your drawers. Now let's talk finishes. Coated finishes like brushed nickel, matte black or oil-rubbed bronze not only look sleek, but also resist fingerprints and scratches. That means less cleaning for you. Match your hardware finish to existing fixtures like your faucet or light fixtures for a cohesive look. And don't be afraid to mix metals. Brass knobs with black handles. Totally stylish, just keep it balanced. Design is key, folks. Choose a style that complements your kitchen theme, whether it's modern, rustic or classic. Stick with the same style throughout for that polished, cohesive look. For cabinets, knobs are best for doors and pulls are perfect for drawers. And for those large drawers, opt for longer pulls, at least 1/3 the drawer width, for better function. One word of advice, don't cheap out on frequently used hardware like drawer pulls or hinges. These take the most wear and tear, so investing in quality here makes a big difference. If you're on a budget, splurge on a few high-quality items like soft-close hinges for heavy-use cabinets and go more budget-friendly elsewhere. Before you make any final decisions, hold the handles and pulls in your hand. See if they're comfortable. And don't forget to check finish samples under your kitchen's lighting to ensure they match perfectly. So there you have it. With these hardware hacks, you can transform your kitchen into a functional and stylish space. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy kitchen upgrading!